Hey guys, so first of all, kudos to everyone who knows that song from the intro. Matter of fact, if you know that song, put it down on the comments. I'd be interested to know if you guys could figure out what that was. Anyway, today we're doing something that's a little bit different, but I think it's gonna be kind of fun. So what I'm gonna do, of course, you guys know I review different types of tech. What I wanna do today is I wanna review one of my older videos. What this is, it's an unpublished video. I didn't publish it on YouTube, but I did publish it. It was published on Amazon. So I did put it up on Amazon.com. I did review the backpack. I think the reason I didn't put it on YouTube is at this particular time, I was doing a lot of backpack video reviews. And to be perfectly honest, this backpack here that I review, there wasn't really anything different that set it apart from the backpacks that I was reviewing at the time. All of those backpacks, they had a little niche, they had something that, that was cool, it was a little bit different, And this one here was just sort of average. This doesn't mean it was bad, but it wasn't as exciting, I guess, for me to make another backpack video. I thought it'd be fun to kind of go back and see everything that's changed, everything that I've probably learned from older videos, maybe some stuff that I haven't learned from older videos that I'm still doing, and maybe I reflect on them and say, hey, stop doing that. Anyway, something kind of fun, something kind of different. So have the laptop here. I'm gonna use the headphones for the edit. And what this is, it's like you guys know, a backpack review, and let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, this is Carlos with Ep.1 here, and today we're going to be looking at this laptop backpack by KK. So first, right from the bat, thank goodness I was not wearing the same thing right now as in the video. I still have that shirt, so I came pretty dang close, but I didn't, so whew. So starting off with the aesthetics, it's a strap design all around, but what's actually keeping the pocket secure are these magnetic clips. On the side, stop it again there. It's funny enough, I don't remember the video itself, me editing the whole video or filming the video, but I do remember filming some of the B-roll. Just some of that B-roll there, it does remind me of how I had to set it up and what I was doing, with the tripod and all of that. So it's kind of funny. Sides, you have two sections that'll hold a 16-ounce water bottle or a hydro flask, and then on the front of it, you have a big pocket section. Moving towards the inside. If you didn't know, that you were watching the Ep.8 channel, you could guess by watching a couple seconds, not even through the first minute, a couple seconds of the video. There's Ep.8 everywhere. So just in case you weren't aware, there you go. Moving towards the inside of the bag, we have a laptop section that'll fit laptops up to 17 inches wide with room to spare. Damn! I actually don't own a 17-inch laptop, so we'll just use my 12-inch Surface Pro for reference. That's the one I'm using now. It also has a section for a tablet and then some zippered sections, and then the whole thing is layered in some teal lining, which is actually kind of useful because that contrasting color makes it pretty easy to find what you're... Useful? Yes. I mean, something that I would like personally. I'm more of a black or black and white, maybe a gray. I'm not too concerned with finding my stuff. It is, some people like the bright orange interior lining. Some people like bright colors like that, so they could find their black phone or their black wireless charger. I'm not too worried about it. I'll go all black all day. It's all good. The main features that they're advertising are water resistance and anti-theft, which kind of adds up because on the inside of the bag you'll find a drawstring, so it lets you close up the bag, and then of course you close up the top layer, then you got a good amount of water resistance. And it does do just that. It's water resistant, not waterproof. As far as the anti-theft aspect, I kind of get that too. Gets me till this day. It's every product, and I feel like they kind of sneak it in there. You know, it's water, you know, waterproof. Maybe not actually waterproof once you look at the fine print. You know, it's water resistant, and so it's like, okay, so I can't go swimming in it. I can't really sweat in it because it's not really gonna hold up to that. There's a ton of products that it's like I look at the fine print and it's resistant, not waterproof. So rookie mistakes is still being done to this day. Kind of get that too because it's a little harder to undo a drawstring. It takes a little longer rather than just undoing a zipper. It really seems like they're going for the outdoorsy type crowd with this backpack, with its features and the bigger pockets. So I remember that shot specifically. So fun fact, it was done on a phone. I just set it on a tripod and I think it just recorded it, and maybe I time-lapsed it in post. I was wanting to get that kind of sun beaming movement, you know, and that was gonna be, that was the exciting part of that shot. But it was I totally phoned it in, literally filmed on a phone. I didn't really have a lot of time, or maybe I didn't want to spend a whole lot of time because I kind of knew that I wasn't going to post it on YouTube. I was just going to post it straight to Amazon. I figured something like this is perfectly fine, especially because, another fun fact, if you're doing an Amazon review and if you're doing a video, you can only post a video that is less than 1.5 gigabytes. So you can do one thing or another. So either your review is really short, or you know, you film in lower quality, so something like a phone footage is perfect for that. And then you do probably have to reduce the bit rate in post, or when you're rendering it down, that way you can meet that little 1.5 gigabyte threshold. So I'm not usually all that concerned with the quality when I'm doing just Amazon reviews, just because I know I have to compress it to lower quality anyway. I just figure as long as they're good shots, as long as it's good information, good enough to go up. Features and the bigger pockets, it makes it ideal to carry around a larger sized items. As always, this is Carlos with Tech V.8. And the good old outro. And I'm out. There you go. And there you go again, just a little, you know, final touch. Again, if you didn't know you were watching a Tech V.8 video, there it is again, just a little personal branding. But I mean, can't be too mad at it, I guess. I mean, it gets the name out there. I have no idea. It's fine, it's cool, it's whatever. So, I mean, that one was one, it wasn't that bad of a video, I guess. There was some things where I know clearly, it wasn't that long ago, so I remember clearly what I was going for, what I was doing, and why I was doing it that way. It was just that it was kind of like a quickie, you know, it was a good backpack, it was a fine backpack. I did want to do the review, but I knew it was just gonna be Amazon. So I knew it wasn't gonna be posted on YouTube. So I kind of was a little liberal with some of the quality. It's just the quality of the whole entire video. I bet you it is 1.5 gigabytes original render. This is something that's kind of fun. I kind of was thinking about doing this just because I know I have some videos that you guys have not seen because they've gone probably straight to Amazon. I thought it'd be kind of fun to just kind of go over them, review them. This is one of the better ones, let me tell you. I have a couple more. I don't know if I'll do another one of these videos. I might, you know, it was pretty fun to look it over and to kind of review it and critique it. And especially this one that, like I said, was one of the better ones. There are some where I really phoned it in bad, but I have an explanation on why I did that for those videos as well. So at least I have an excuse. I do have another review that I'm planning on doing here soon, so probably that'll be the next video. As always, guys, this is Carlos with Tech V.8. And I am out.